Alright, welcome back. So this is another challenge activity. This one's is touching the is touching else challenge. It's part of the collision detection for code.org's CS discoveries. So it says use an if-else statement to change the emoji's mood based on if it is touching the donut or not. So let's go over here to animation, just see what we got. We have a sad face, we have a happy face, and then we have the donut, of course. So what we want to do is we want to have this character, we can set an if-else, okay? So we can say that if it's touching the donut, we would like it to be a happy face because it's got a chance to eat the donut. And if it doesn't, then it's gonna be a sad face. Okay, and then yeah, let's go ahead and work on this. So we want it to be if the emoji is touching the donut. All right, so let's go ahead and is touching is down here. So we're gonna say that if the emoji is touching the donut, and that's just the name of the variable here. Okay, then what we want to do is set the animation. So we're going to set the animation to a happy face, but if it's not touching it, well, then what we want it to do is we want it to be a sad face. Now the other thing I think we need to do here says program the emoji to smile if it's touching the donut. Otherwise the emoji should be sad. So now if we move this over, it's a happy face. Now if we wanted to, we could also make the donut invisible. Or we could just keep it like this. Okay. Let's just leave it this way. You know, in some games, you know, you could have the donut become invisible, and maybe you'd have more emojis. But the problem with that is if you touch this and you make the donut invisible, the face is going to go sad. Because let's go ahead and add that. We'll just show you. If we add the visibility to this if, and we say that the donut is going to be, its visibility is going to be false, well then, we're going to reset this. So it's a sad face, then it goes over, becomes happy, but now the donut's gone, and then it's sad. But it's going to be happy again because there's an invisible donut over there. So we could, you know, change this later on and add some more, add another piece of code down here and make it visible again. I prefer just to kind of leave this out. That way when we run it, we're just going to keep the donut there. And then we move off of it, makes sad, happy, happy. All right. So anyways, this is how you solve this one. Hopefully that helps you with your coding, and good luck.